Hi, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. It's an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with the good people here at Computek in Toronto, Canada. And I got to tell you, I'm hearing a lot of good news stories. So why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself? Tell us what you do.
Thank you so much, Alan, for the opportunity. Hello, everyone. My name is Ntokozo Moyo. I'm a student at Computer College. I'm doing computer networking and cybersecurity engineering.
Wow.
And this is and this is my final year, so I'll be graduating in the next month.
Wow. So graduating in a month. So you're currently a student, and how many months have you got behind you now?
Oh, behind me is almost 2 years.
Okay, good. 2 years with
Yes.
2 years with only a month to go. So there's light at the end of this
Oh,
tunnel.
oh, yes.
Tell
And
me
I'm so
about
excited.
tell me about your first interaction with Computek. Tell me about how that whole journey started.
Okay, so I did information technology back in 2005, and then I did work as a computer as an IT engineer, a technician for a few months. Then for a year, and almost 2 years. Then I left, and then I ventured into travel and tourism for over a decade. And then I came to Canada in 2019. So the process was getting into school, and then I went into the medical field as a personal support worker just to get my papers in place, my permanent residency. So I've been working as a permanent PSW for almost 3 years. So last year I said I want to go back to school and do what I love most, which is technology. And then I went online. I was like the best cybersecurity schools in town. I'm like, oh, there's Computek. Then I clicked on the link. I just went to the school. I spoke with the administration team, and then that's how I started. And I was like, yeah, I'm so interested. And it's been a good journey ever since.
The initial conversation with the admissions team, talk to me about, the feeling you got when you got into a conversation with Computek.
They were quite helpful. So, because there's quite a few colleges out there. So, comparing them, so I was almost enrolled in one college, but then the moment I spoke with Computek, the administration, his name is Cher, he was good because he just got me to it. I just changed my mind from one college to Computek immediately because he gave me all the information I needed to know. And he was so helpful. He was friendly. And it was easy to get hold of them as well because I found that most of the companies, most of the companies trying to get hold of somebody, it's so hard. You try and call, they're put on hold. But with Computek, their system was just straightforward.
Well, that's good to hear. Tell me about now, you're in the program now for almost 2 years. Talk to me about, what are your favorite parts of the program?
The favorite part is my instructor, Mr. Nazmo. Yes, Mr. Nazmo Islam. He's accommodative. So when we began, I was like, oh, because it's my first time to study online. So I was like, how is it going to work out? Am I going to understand? Because looking back, like since 2005, that's when I was at school doing information technology. And here I am now as an adult, as a parent, trying to go back to school and studying online. I'm like, and then Mr. Nazmo was like, okay, guys, I'll make it easy and simple for you. So he simplified everything. The classes, we're studying at 9 in the morning. It goes on and being given the platform to ask questions whenever I don't understand. So the class people participate and be given the opportunity to contact him even after classes. I didn't understand what you said. He's always accommodative.
So with a month to go, do you find yourself well prepared now to go into the job market?
Oh, yes, because we recently, the last module we did was business communications. it gave me a different side of having to prepare for the resume. As simple as a resume, I didn't have so much knowledge with the Canadian style, So like, wow, in preparing with the interview, the type of interview, the questions, being able to be confident and just face the interviewers. We did that in class, and Mr. Nasmu was so helpful in teaching us that. But some of the things are things which I personally took for granted over the years. So it really prepared me.
It sounds to me like you've had a wonderful journey to date, both past and now into your Computek journey. Would you think that this experience for you will be life-changing?
Yes, it is. It is. And I look at the future. I look at my LinkedIn because updating my LinkedIn profile and everything. I look at the comments. I look at the people are viewing. I look at the companies that are showing interest soon after I graduate. I'm just prepared and I'm ready, and I'm so grateful for that.
You have a cohort of students that you have gone through this program with. Tell me about your cohort.
Yes, the other students, they've been helpful because we've been working together. Even after class, we have a WhatsApp group. We communicate whenever we have things that we don't understand in class. We gather together, we practice together. Even for the tests, we do practice a lot together. It's a teamwork.
Yeah. Tell me, what does Computek mean to you?
It means um, a step ahead, and the confidence they give us confidence to look at the future, the opportunities, even the job fairs which they host, and even this opportunity just being here. It's another opportunity, and I really appreciate that. And they are there. They are like holding our hands all the way through. And being an immigrant in Canada, so they really take care of people, the students. They are really helpful.
Thank you. It's been an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you.
Thank you so much, Alan. I really appreciate it. Thank you.